Hey everybody, welcome back to the Court of Random Opinion. My name is Lauren Neidigh. Earlier tonight, I let you guys know there was an emergency hearing in the Justin Baldoni versus Blake Lively case. That hearing was in regards to Blake Lively's deposition, which was supposed to take place tomorrow. The reason this was suddenly at issue is that the Wallace parties were dismissed without prejudice this morning, but Jed Wallace's attorney wanted to be part of that deposition. At the end of the hearing, it sounded like they were still going to go forward with the deposition tomorrow, but now it looks like they actually have decided to delay it until July 31st. We'll take a look at the letter to the court. Dear Judge Lyman, Plaintiff Blake Lively writes to respectfully advise the court that following today's emergency hearing, counsel for the parties met and conferred and mutually agreed that, in light of the court's order dismissing the Wallace parties and Miss Lively's right to amend the complaint on or before July 30th, 2025, Miss Lively's deposition will be continued until July 31st, 2025. So it sounds like everybody agreed to that. And then that way, once they file that amended complaint on the 30th, then Jed Wallace is officially a party again, I believe. So his lawyer would be able to attend that deposition the next day. I know Justin's attorneys were not wanting to delay it because they said they wanted to, whatever information they got from the deposition, they might want to file further requests after that. But then Jed's attorney said that they might need to notice a second deposition if they had additional questions after this one because the amended complaint hadn't been filed yet. Then they started talking about filing a dummy complaint tonight, which is way over my head, and so Omar's going to have to explain that one to us. But anyways, this is what it ended up. We're moving it a couple weeks, I guess. But I will be live with Omar to discuss this whole subpoena issue. I filed a notice of intent tonight. You're not going to see that for a little bit, though. I'm not going to talk too much about what I'm putting into these things, just while it's ongoing. But he's going to explain a little bit around what it's asking for because I know people were concerned about subscriber data, which there's been a little bit of a misunderstanding. I think you guys have nothing to worry about. It is my data they want, not yours. And we are going to talk a little bit about some other stuff that's come up recently in regards to like my coverage of this case and me being kind of pulled into it the way that I have. So I will see you guys at 11:30 Eastern, hopefully 8:30 Pacific. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.